Hi, this is a requested video. The request is from Lucy1666 and it's to do Honey playing in her box, and also I'll try and show you how I usually handle Honey as well. So, sorry this video is really late. Like I said, I would do it either Sunday or Monday, but I've been extremely busy. But that does not mean I'm not going to do the requested videos this week. I'm going to try and do as many as possible, request-wise, because I know I've got lots of requests to do, which is really, really good. Oh, look at Honey. And I know I already made a Playbox video as well, but this is another request to do a Playbox, and I guess it could be much better than last time's, because I don't think, to be honest, last time's was actually that good. The Playbox video I did, it was a bit rubbish. I haven't had that many views on it, and I've only had one comment, so it must be really bad. I thought it was quite bad. Oh god, you can see Honey's going mad. So yeah, I'm sorry it's late, but I've been, like I said, extremely busy, really busy, doing lots of work, and that's what happens when you're in GCSE year. Oh, look at that face. Okay, so just before I get on with the video, there's a few shout outs that I want to make. So the first one, a massive shout out. So this is going to be a massive shout out to Miss Sparkle Spots, because she gave me a really big shout out, and I'm so thankful for that. And plus, I said I would do a trade with her very soon, and I also said I'd do a shout out when I mentioned that as well. Look at her. Oh. Yeah, I'll do a trade video very soon. And also, she's only got 2 subscribers, I think 2 subscribers, unless more people have subscribed since then, but I don't know. God. So yeah, I feel she really needs way more subscribers than just 2. That's ridiculous. She needs way more subscribers than 2. So if you've not heard of Miss Sparkle Spots, please go watch her videos, because I think they're amazing. I love her videos so much. And she's been leaving such great comments on my videos, and I've been leaving good comments on hers as well. So yeah, please go subscribe to Miss Sparkle Spots. Another one I want to... Whoa, please don't escape. Please don't escape, Honey. Another one that I want to shout out to would be... Oh, who is it now? Millie Moo Moo? Yeah, Millie Moo Moo, because she only has very few subscribers. She doesn't have that many, and also her videos are really good as well. And she's left such great comments to my videos. Lots of people have been leaving really amazing comments, and I'm just so happy with the amount of comments I'm getting, and just the amazing, lovely comments everyone's giving to me. It's just amazing, and thank you very much for doing that. I really do appreciate it, because it does show that people appreciate my videos and love them. And by requesting videos also, it makes me much happier, knowing that people like my videos and are requesting me to do loads more, which is really, really good. It's just, yeah. It actually made my day when I saw the amount of requests that I got and good comments. So yeah. So as you can see, Honey is just, you can just basically, I've just basically been filming her for like 3 minutes now while she's been playing around. So now I'm going to show you how I usually handle her. And sorry if I'm really bad with the filming of this. I'll try my best to get the filming good, but there's not that many places to film. So yeah, I'm going to try and get a good film of this. Come on, Honey. Okay, so I've got Honey now. You can see she's here right now. So this is how I usually handle her. I just put my hands in front of each other like this, and she just usually walks in on them. This is just a perfect way. She's having the choice to go onto my hand. You know, she's having that choice instead of me forcing her to. And also when I pick her up and things, I also make sure that I put my hand down flat, so she also gets the choice to come on my hand instead of me scooping her up. Because I actually find that quite unsafe and quite scary, because they feel like you're the predator scooping them up from the ground. Because obviously hamsters are prey animals, so you need to be a little bit wary of that. But the best way to tame a hamster is probably just let them come up to you. And yeah, you'll have a lovely happy hamster. Look at that. Look how adorable she is. She's hearing noises from downstairs. So yeah, so that's Honey in her box. In her play box. So I think this video is much better than the other play box video I did. Yeah. So I'll put her back over here. So yeah, that's the video I wanted. That's the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was good enough. Thanks for requesting the video as well. Really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much for requesting it, the video. And yeah, subscribe, comment down below. Sorry, I'm just hearing noises from downstairs. Yeah, please request any more videos, comment down below and subscribe. Okay, bye.